Hi guys. So I don't know where I'm gonna put this in a vlog, but probably just a weekly one for, you know, post-grad life. Today is Thursday and I just did my 6 a.m. badminton as per scheduled with my friends. Worked a little bit. I feel like those things you kind of already see, but I did want to like start vlogging right now, and it's about 11:45, so I'm gonna like prep our lunch today. Adrian is in a meeting right now, and I have this like chicken marsala linguine. I don't know. We went like a little bit of grocery shopping yesterday. We still need to like buy general grocery stuff. We bought eggs and milk, but we like only have eggs and milk in our fridge and like this chicken pasta thing. So yeah, we definitely need to like do some more shopping. I'm gonna make some of this right now because it looks really yummy for me. Don't judge me for making this on the stove. Also ignore that mess. That is my like ramen noodle area. We're gonna put it inside the cabinet eventually. Not gonna lie, this doesn't look like enough for 2 people, but I do have like some angel hair that I might just boil and then like add it into, because like this sauce is quite a lot compared to like the pasta proportions. The pots are currently in the dishwasher, so I'm just gonna use this. It smells super good in here, but while that happens and I'm like on my lunch break right now for my 9 to 5, I'm actually gonna be on my personal laptop right now. I was reached out to by a brand. I don't know if I should say it. It'll probably be like live by the time I upload this vlog, but like sounds like the pasta is done. But Madewell reached out to me saying like, hey, like we'd love to just like give you some like things for the new fall arrivals and go ahead and pick between like 10 to 15 pieces. And you know, when a brand reaches out to you for picking out pieces, I'm not gonna decline. Madewell is like one of my favorite brands. I just quite honestly like can't afford it. Their pieces are super high quality and like very nice and feels very luxurious, but for personal money wise, I have never been able to afford Madewell, so it feels really cool. I also love like their buyback or like recycle program. You can give any pair of jeans, like it doesn't matter if it's Madewell, it's just like any pair of jeans that you have that you don't want anymore, you can like give it to Madewell and they will return give you like a coupon or a discount. I think that's amazing. When you outgrow jeans, or if you like just don't want the pair anymore, like obviously like they can take it in and recycle it for you and like properly like be able to like take up the scraps and maybe even like make into something new. Good stuff. I'm gonna work on that right now and I'm just gonna shut up. Okay, y'all, this is the final product. We didn't have like the same like spaghetti pasta type, and we just had angel hair. It's fine, it worked out, and the sauce is like well evenly coated amongst the noodles. I'm gonna enjoy lunch, just leave it here for Adrian when he gets out of his meeting, but yeah. Hi guys, so it's been a bit since I filmed. I don't know if you can tell, but the vlogs I've been uploading have been filmed back in September, and today is like January 28th, I think, so it's been quite a bit since I filmed. I'm honestly a little bit awkward too right now, so we'll see how well I do, but Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, all the holidays. Lunar New Year is actually coming up on February 10th, so I took down my Christmas tree and I put up some like little Lunar New Year decorations, so I'm really excited for that. Home improvement wise, like we basically moved in completely, but the apartment is like a huge mess. I really just need to like clean, vacuum. I'm not even gonna show you guys the mess on the coffee table that you guys are sitting on. But I did get a couple home improvement stuff. I got some like shoe rack, a little fruit bowl. I have my boba, I have my headphones ready, and I'm just gonna like pop it in and get in the zone. In case you're wondering, I love share tea, and I usually get a Hawaii fruit tea with IE jelly, 30% sweetness and less ice, or I usually get the QQ, but those two are like my go-to. Scrumptious. Okay, I'm gonna get started. Unfortunately for me, this last week has been so hectic because I just came back from Hawaii, which was super fun. But today, we cut our trip a little bit short because I really wanted to go to this Sezane event. It's actually like their last event before they close down their pop-up in Seattle. So if you live in Seattle, Sezane is closing their pop-up by the end of March, and you know, you should come out and hang out for a bit before it's like gone. Obviously you can still shop online, like that's totally an option too, but I just feel like going in store and like looking at products in person is a completely different vibe than like shopping online. Because like online shopping, you just never know if something's gonna be fitting right or if the quality, I mean Sezane quality is really good, but you just don't know like what the material's like online. Like you can get a kind of a feel for it, but not really. So I am sad that they're leaving, but I'm here like half an hour early, which is exactly how I wanted it to be because I don't want to be late. And I think there's someone else who is parked in front of me who is also just staying in the car, who I think is also early too. But I didn't bring my vlog camera this time because it's kind of rainy outside and my purse doesn't carry, doesn't fit the vlog camera in. So I'm just gonna leave it be and not risk getting my camera dirty. So now we're just gonna awkwardly wait while everyone else is sitting in the car, awkwardly waiting too. Hi guys, this is officially presents time, Annette. It's currently March 11th, so hopefully this vlog will be up sooner than later. I just want to give a quick summary of the Sezane event I went to back in February. Thank you so much, Sezane, for inviting me to that event. I've just been so grateful that I've been able to watch the pop-up come here and like see how successful it was within the last couple months, and for them to go is sad, but totally understandable because you guys are expanding in so many different ways. Of course, you can still shop online at sezane.com, but if you still want to go in store, the Seattle U Village location is still open right now. I think their last day is like the end of March, so definitely go give it a shot if you're interested. For the event, I just want to show you guys what I got. I got this cute little tote bag. We had this really cute embroiderer. I forgot their handle, but I will put it up on the screen here. I got my name embroidered onto this tote, just like a simple Annette with a little bow on the side. They let us pick out a piece, so I got this really cute button down. It's so pretty. I feel like I already have a couple of striped button downs, but not anything like this. I like how the stripe sizes are different. And then I also got a little dove embroidered on the little sleeve here, and I just thought it was a cute little touch of like customization and personalization to it. At the store, I also just picked up these cute little postcards. If you go into the Sezane store in Seattle, they have like these cute little postcards there, and you can like send these postcards to someone, I think. They have like a little post box there too. I think it's just really cute. I just picked those up because it said Seattle on it, and I just wanted like something small to remember with the place. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And yeah, hopefully I will be back into vlogging and just getting back into the groove of things because I'm still a little bit awkward. But thank you. Bye.